everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this Illuminating Floral Heart. So if you want to see how I put this together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. I'll be starting off by showing you the items that I'll be using for this DIY. And just so you know, all the items that I used are from the Dollar Tree. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using this heart-shaped decoration that right now Dollar Tree has. Some coffee filters, a wire basket, a white ornament marker, some LED wire lights, also known as fairy lights, and last but not least, my glue gun. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is remove that center heart. Next, I'm going to start cutting the rim off the basket, and I'll be doing that to the top and also the bottom. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've done this several times in different DIYs. Next, I'm going to cut the basket in half. Just by using some regular heavy-duty scissors will do the job. It's very easy to cut this wire. Once I've cut the basket in half, now I'm just going to kind of press it down just so that it can flatten some. If you love chicken wire crafts, and then this is a great alternative. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is just lay the wire over the heart. And what I'm going to do is just trace out the heart. I'm not going to remove the tinsel around the heart because it'll serve as a covering for the wire. And I also think that the red tinsel looks really pretty because the floral that I'm going to put in the center is white. So I think it goes well with this project. Once I place the wire where I need it to be, I'm going to go ahead and take my white ornament marker, and then I'm just going to trace around it. The metal frame underneath the tinsel will be my guide. And as you can see, there is the marking. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut around it. And this is what it looks like, and I'm just kind of bending it just a little bit so that it can flatten out. And now once again, I'm going to lay the heart down and I'm going to place my wire over it, and I'm going to start to hot glue it. I will be doing sections at a time, and then I'll also use the backing of my scissors just to keep the wire down because it tends to still want to come up. Just in case you decide to do this project, I just want to warn you that the hot glue will seep out through the wire, so you need to be really careful. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is remove the tinsel off the smaller heart, because this is going to serve as the pattern that I'm going to draw in the center of the bigger heart. Okay, so now I'm ready to place it right in the center, and I'm going to be using my white marker to trace the pattern out. And this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to start creating the floral heart, and in order to do that, I had to place it over a basket. And you'll see why in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my coffee filter and I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'll repeat it twice. Then I'll be adding some hot glue around the stem and then putting it into the wire until I completely fill the center pattern. You can also create this same heart in a flat surface. You would just have to bend the ends and glue them down. But because I wanted to pass it through the wire, I had to use this technique. Okay, here I'm just showing you how the heart is taking shape. And this is how it turned out. To me, they look like roses. And this is what the back side looks like. Next, I'm going to start stringing the lights to the back side. And so all I did was just string the wire around the stems. By adding the lights on the back side, I feel that the light filters through the paper and it gives it that illuminating effect. Once I was done stringing the lights, I did add just some regular tape just to make sure that the wire would stay put. And I also wanted to tape down the battery pack. And this is how the back side looks with the tape. And now I'm just going to add some twine to the top of the heart. If you'd like to see more crafts using these hearts, please comment down below and let me know, because I do have some other ideas. And this is how my illuminating heart turned out. Well, beauties, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless.